Google AdSense versus AdMob, choosing the right monetization platform can completely change how you maximize revenue without compromising user experience. AdSense focuses on websites, while AdMob is tailored for mobile apps. Google AdSense and AdMob are both Google's advertising platforms, but serve different purposes. AdSense is designed for website monetization, delivering ads on desktop and mobile browsers. AdMob specializes in mobile app monetization, integrating ads directly within apps. Google AdSense is an advertising platform that allows website owners to earn money by displaying targeted ads. It works by automatically serving relevant ads based on your site's content and visitors' interests. Using Google's extensive ad network, AdSense supports multiple ad formats including display, text, and video ads, which can be placed in various locations on your website. Its strengths lie in ease of use, broad advertiser reach, and detailed reporting tools. However, AdSense is limited to websites and cannot be used directly within mobile apps. It's ideal for bloggers, news sites, and content publishers looking for a simple, reliable way to monetize web traffic without managing advertisers directly. While it offers strong customization options, earnings depend heavily on site traffic and user engagement. For those with established websites or blogs seeking straightforward ad integration and high-quality ads, AdSense remains a top choice. Google AdMob is a mobile app monetization platform that integrates ads seamlessly into Android and iOS apps. It works by serving personalized ads within app interfaces, including banner ads, interstitials, rewarded videos, and native ads, optimized for mobile user experiences. AdMob leverages Google's robust ad network and mediation features to maximize revenue by automatically selecting the highest-paying ads from multiple sources. Its strengths include deep integration with mobile development tools, extensive analytics, and support for in-app purchases combined with ads. However, AdMob is limited to mobile applications and does not support website monetization. It is ideal for app developers and publishers who want to generate income from free apps without disrupting user engagement. While setup requires some technical knowledge, its mediation and targeting capabilities help increase earnings. For developers focusing on mobile platforms, AdMob offers a comprehensive and scalable solution to monetize app traffic effectively. Google AdSense and AdMob cater to different environments but share the goal of maximizing ad revenue. AdSense excels for websites with diverse content and visitor demographics, offering flexible ad placements and formats suitable for blogs and news portals. AdMob, on the other hand, shines in mobile apps where user interaction is more direct, providing ad formats like rewarded videos that enhance engagement without annoyance. Choosing between them depends on your platform. A website benefits from AdSense's simplicity, while apps gain from AdMob's specialized mobile ad features. Both platforms offer strong analytics and integration with Google's ad ecosystem, but AdMob demands more development effort. The trade-off is between ease of setup for websites and advanced monetization strategies for apps. Understanding your audience and platform will guide the best choice for sustainable ad revenue. Choose Google AdSense if you run a website or blog and want a straightforward, reliable way to monetize your content with minimal technical setup. Google AdMob is the better choice for mobile app developers seeking flexible ad formats and advanced mediation features to boost revenue. Focus on your platform's strengths and user experience to maximize earnings with the right Google monetization tool.